Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about data handling chapter. In that chapter, I explained to you in this class exercise 2 and exercise 3. In exercise 2, they given based on mode problems. In exercise 3, they given based on median problems. Already explained to you in previous video class about mean, median, and mode. What is the mean? The sum of observations by number of observations. Now I explain to you about mode. What is the mode? An observation of data that occurs most frequently is called the mode of the data. A data set may have one or more modes and sometimes one. What is the mode, children? An observation of data that occurs most frequently is called the mode of the data. So, I will write on this board about mode. An observation of data that occurs most frequently is called the mode of the data. A data set may have a data set may have one or more modes and sometimes none. Sometimes none. Once see, children, mode, an observation of data that occurs most frequently is called the mode of the data. A data set may have one or more modes and sometimes none. So one time mode will be one or more modes and sometimes none. For example, I take 12, 13, 14, 12, 11, 5, 7. Full stop. The given, I take these numbers 12, 13, 14, 12, 11, 5, 7. In this, observation of data that occurs most frequently. Most frequent, which number is frequently repeated? 12, 12. 13, 14, 11, 5, 7. So 13, 14, 11, 5, 7 repeated only one time they given, but 12 how many times given? 2 times. So 12 number repeatedly. So here what is the mode? Mode is what? 12. So mode is 12. So this is the example of mode. Clear? Now I am going to take exercise 2. First problem. In exercise 2, the given first problem, long jumps by 7 students of a team are 98 centimeters, 125 centimeters, 140 centimeters, 155 centimeters, 174 centimeters, 140 centimeters, and 155 centimeters. So find the mode of the data. Find the mode of the data. So this is the given problem. Now you find the mode. Now you find the mode. Right. The given data is The given, this is the exercise 1, first problem. The given data is seven students given 98 centimeter, 98 centimeter, 125 centimeter, and 140 centimeters, 155 centimeters, 174 centimeters, 140 centimeters, and 155 centimeters. The given data is 98 centimeters, 125 centimeters, 140 centimeters, 155 centimeters, 174 centimeters, 140 centimeters, and 155 centimeters. So here you have to find the mode. Most frequently appeared observations mode is how much? Here 98 only one time, 125 only one time, 140 two times. Here 140, here 140. So 155 here, there. So two times. 174 only one time. So which numbers are repeated here in this given data? Two numbers. What is that? 140 here and 155. So now I have to say about this answer. Mode is 140 centimeters and 155 centimeters. So mode equal to 140 centimeters and 155 centimeters. This is the answer of first problem. Clear? Next, second problem. Age of players in a cricket team are 25, 26, 25, 27, 28, 30, 31, 27, 33, 27, 29. So you are asking find the mean and mode of the data, and the second one find the minimum number of players to be added to the above team so that mode of the data changes and what must be their ages. See children, here given the given data is, this is the second problem children. The given data is is 25, 26, 25, 27, 28, 30, 31, 27, 33, 27, 29. Once see children, from second problem, the given data is 25, 26, 25, 27, 28, 30, 31, 27, 33, 27, 29. Here, in first problem, they are asking find the mean and mode of the data. So mean, how to find the mean? So one formula is there. What is the formula? Sum of observations by number of observations. What is the equal word of mean? That is average or arithmetic mean. Once see children, average or arithmetic mean or mean. These three words are equal. So first one, you have to find the mean. Mean. So what is the formula? The sum of observations by number of observations. Sum of observations by number of observations. Yes, sum of observations mean you take these all observations. 25 plus 26 plus 25 plus 27 plus 28 plus 30 plus 31 plus 27 plus 33 plus 27 plus 29. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many observations? Number of observations how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. By number of observations 11. Once see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now we can add the all observations here. First take 25, after that 26, after that 25, 27, 28, 30, 31, 27, 33, 27, 29. Now you can add. So ones place. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 7, 23. 23 plus 8. How much? 31, 32, 39, 42, 49, 58. So here 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 11, sorry, 9, 11, 13, 15, 18, 21, 23, 26, 28, 30. Total how much children? 308. So here this answer is 308. That means 308 by 11. Now do division. 308 by 11 means how to do division. So here 308, 11. 11 1 jar 11. 11 2 jar 22. 11 3 jar 33. That is more than 30. So you take only 2 times. Here 2 times. 2 11 jar 22. So do subtraction here 10. Here 2. 10 minus 2. How much children? 8. 8. 2 minus 2. 0. So 8 0. Now bring down 8. How much here? 88. So in 88, 11 how many times? 8 11 jar 88. 8 11 jar 88. Do subtraction. So what is the answer children? 28. 28. This is the mean of this given data. Clear children? What is the answer children? 28. Now in first bit mean completed. Now we have to find the mode. So what is the mode? Frequently or repeated? Repeated observation. So here what is the repeated observation? 25 how many times? 1 2 2 times. 26 how many times? Only one time. 27 1 2 3. So 28 only one time. So 27 3 times repeated. So what is the mode? Mode equal to frequently appear. Here this is the first bit mean completed. Now mode. Mode equal to frequently appeared. Frequently appeared. So which observation frequently appeared from this given data? 27. One time, 2 times, 3 times. So what is the mode children? 27. Clear? Yes. Now I am going to take third problem from exercise 2. Find the mode of the following data. So 12, 24, 36, 46, 25, 38, 72, 36, 25, 38, 12, 24, 46, 25, 12, 24, 46, 25, 72, 12, 24, 36, 25, 38 and 36. So we have to find the mode. So first we have to take given data and we will write on this. I will write on this board. Yes. Find the mode of the following data. So the given data is 12, 24, 36, 46, 25, 38, 72, 36, 25, 38, 12, 24, 46, 25, 12, 24, 46, 25, 72, 12, 24, 36, 25, 25, 38, and 36. See children, here the given data is, these numbers are given. One subject, everyone read. Read everyone. Okay. 12, 24, 36, 46, 25, 38, 72, 36, 25, 38, 12, 24, 46, 25, 12, 24, 46, 25, 72, 12, 25, 36, 25, 38, and 36. This last number is 36. So one subject here. Take 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So 25, how many times repeated? 5 times. So what is the mode? What is the mode, children? Mode equal to frequently appear, equal to, so 25. So what is the mode of this given data, children? 25. Clear? Now explain about median. Median. So how to find the median? So you take a middle observation of the given data. Once again, children, how to find the median? You have to find the median. You take middle observation the given data. So in two cases are there in median. So first case you take middle term. The second case in middle term they gave 2 terms. So then you have to find the mean of that 2 terms. So first I explained to you first case how to find the median. First case. So 1, 2, 5, 1, 4, 5, 3, 2. So they given 1, 4, 5, 3, 2. So these numbers are given. So first we have to arrange in the ascending order or descending order the given data before finding the median. So this is the given data. First what you have to do, you arrange these all numbers ascending order or descending order. So what is the ascending order? From small to big. So what is the descending order? From big to small. So I arranging these numbers in ascending order. So small to big. 1, ascending order. A dot go mean ascending order. Ascending order. First one, after that 2, after that 3, after that 4, 5. So how many numbers are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many numbers? 5 numbers. 5 mean what? Odd. Odd numbers mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you take middle term like this. Cancel, cancel. First number, last number, cancel. Second number from right to left, second number, both are cancelled. So what is the middle term, children? 3. So it is a median. This is the median. Median equal to how much, children? 3. Median of this given data is how much, children? 3. This is the first case. For case 1. Now case 2. Case 2. For example, I take from textbook example problem. Yes. 23, 18, 17, 27 and 30. 37. So how many numbers given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many numbers given? 6. 6 mean even. So first you can arrange ascending order or descending order. So I take ascending order. What is the ascending order? Small to big. So from this, which is the smaller? 17. After that 18. After that 17. After 18. After 23. After take 27, 30, 37. Okay now? Yes. First number, last number will be cancelled. 18, 30, both will be cancelled. Now 23, 27. You take these two numbers are middle terms. So then how to find the median of this problem? So take 23 and 27. Median equal to, you have to find the average or mean. 23 plus 27 by 2. 23 plus 27 by 2. 23 plus 27, total how much? 3 plus 7, 10. 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Total how much, children? 50 by 2. In this 2, in 50, how many times is equal? 25 times. So 25 is the median of this problem. Clear? First case, second case. Clear, children? Now I am going to take exercise 3 problems. That is, the monthly income in rupees of 7 households in a village are 1200 rupees, 1500 rupees, 1400 rupees, 1000 rupees, 1000 rupees, 1600 rupees, and 10,000 rupees. So find the median income of the households. And second one, if one more household with monthly income of 1500 is added, what will be the median income be? First take given data. First take given data. This is the exercise 3. Sorry, this is exercise 1 before. So exercise 3. Exercise 3. First problem. The household incomes in a rupees. The household income in rupees. $1,200, $1,500, $1,400, $1,000, $1,000, $1,600, 10,000. 10,000. 1,200, 1,500, 1,400, 1,000, 1,000, 100, 1,600, and 10,000. So you find the median. So you find median. First, what you have to do before finding the median? You can arrange in the ascending order or descending order. So ascending order. Which is the smaller here? 1,000. So take 1,000. Again, one more 1,000 is there from the given data. So 1,000. After that, you take 1,200, 1,400, 1,500, 10,000. 10,000. Okay, children. So cancel. Last number cancel. Next number. Next number. Middle terms. You take middle. How many middle terms are there? 2 terms. Then you have to find the mean. 1,200 plus 1,400 here. 1,400 by 2. 1,200 plus 1,400 by 2. Now you can add 1,200, 1,400. 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 4, 6. 1 plus 1, 2. Total how much, children? 2,600 by 2. This 2,600 by 2. This 2 in 2,600 how many times divisible? 1,300. So 1,300. So therefore median equal to, how much is the median? 1,300. So median equal to how much, children? 1,300. Right. Next. Children, here one mistake. I explained one mistake here. 1,200, 1,500, 1,400, 1,000, 1,000, 1,600, and 10,000. So take you can arrange in ascending order. First take 1,000. After that take 1,000. After that 1,200, 1,400, 1,500. 1,600. I forgot previous. So 1,600 after 10,000. So now both are cancelled. Both are cancelled. Both are cancelled. Now what is the median, children? Median equal to 1,400. 1,400. Clear, children? Yes, thank you. Next problem. Okay, next second bit also there in first bit. If one more household with monthly income of 1,500 is added, so here 1,500 rupees is added to this given data. So then what is the median? Then what is the median? So now one more. The household income. So we added one more household. So that is the 1,500. How much? 1,500. So you have to find the median. In second bit, one more household with monthly income of 1,500 is added. What will be the median income be? So if one more household with household with income how much? 1,500. 1,500. is added them, that data becomes 1200, 1500, 1400, 1000, 1600, 10,000, 1500. So clear children here. This is the first given data, but here in one more households with income 1500 is added, them the data becomes how much? 1200, 1500, 1400, 1000, 1600, 10,000, 1500. Now we have to find the median. So median, what is the median? So first we can arranging in the ascending order the given data. Ascending order. First 1000, after that 1000, next 1200, 1400, 1500, 1500, one more 1500 is there, 1500, after that 1600, after that 10,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Before they given how many observations given? 7 observations. But you can added one more observation. So if one more household with income 1500 is added, then the data becomes how many? 8 observations. Now you find the median. First, last. Both are cancelled. So now 2 observations. Middle terms how many? 2 terms. So now we find the median. How to find the median? From 2 observations mean we have to find the mean. What is the mean? Sum of observations by number of observations. 1400 plus 1500 by 2. So 2 addition 1400 plus 1500. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 4 plus 5, 9, 1 plus 1, 2. Not long children, 2900 by 2. So, division 2900 divided by 2, 1 time 2, 1, sorry 0, bring down 9, this 2 in 9, how many times divisible? 4 times, 8, 9 minus 8, 1, bring down 0. So in 10, 2 how many times? 5 times, 0, 0, bring down 0. So how many times? 0 times, 0 times. So what is the quotient? 1450. So 2 in 2900, 1450 times divisible. So it will become a median. Therefore, median equal to 1450. When if one more household with income 1500 is added them, so we get how much median? 1450. But actual the household income data. So what is the median children? How much? 1400. Clear? Next problem. Second one. Observations of a data are 16, 72, 0, 55, 65, 55, 10 and 41. Chaitanya calculated the mode and median without taking the 0 into consideration. So did Chaitanya do the right thing? So here given some observations are given, but Chaitanya did find the mode and median. Here Chaitanya without taking 0, then find the mode and median. So is it correct or wrong the given? So first you find the mode and median. The given data is, this is the second problem in exercise 3. The given data is 16, 72, 0, 55, 65, 55, 10 and 41 and 41. So first you find the mode. So mode means frequently appear. Frequently appear. So 16. How many times repeated? Only one time. 72. How many times? One time. 55. 55. Two times. So mode of 55. But here Chaitanya, without taking 0, they get mode is 55. So it is a correct. Mode is correct. Mode is correct. Without taking 0 from given observations. Okay, but median. So that also you have to find median equal to question mark. So first we can arranging in the ascending or descending order before finding the median. So ascending order 0, 16, after that 10, 0 after 10, after 16, after that 55, 41 is there, 41, after that 55, 2 times 55, that's 65 and 72. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we find the median. 0, 72 cancel, 10, 65 cancel, 68, 55 cancel. So how many will times? 2 times. So you take 0, but Chaitanya, without taking 0, then find the median. Without taking 0, we get what, children? 55. But you take 0, taking 0 from the given data, so we get the different answer about median. So 41 median, you have to find mean. 41 plus 55 by 2. 41, 55. 1 plus 5, 6. 4 plus 5, 9. So total number, children, 96 by 2. 96. 4 2s are 8. 1 bring down 6. 8 times 16, 0. So what is the answer, children? 48. So 96 by 2. How much, children? 48. This is the median. So median equal to how much, children? 48. But Chaitanya, without taking 0, then calculate the median. So we get 55. But with taking 0, we get how much, children? 48. So Chaitanya did correct for mode and wrong for median. Clear, children? Yes. Next, bar graph and double bar graph and pie chart. So exercise 4 left. So I explain bar graph. I explained here bar graph. Once see children, how to find the bar graph and double bar graph and pie chart. Exercise 4. Draw a bar graph for the following data. Population of India in successive census years, year and population given. This is the first problem, children. Here, already we have learned about how to draw bar graph and how to draw double bar graph. So, here, population. In million. In population they given in a million. First year 1941. How many millions people? 320. 320. 1951. 360. 1961. 440. 1971. 550. 1981. 680. 1991. 850. 2001. 10,000. Sorry, 1,000. This is the population. Now you draw bar graph. How to draw the bar graph? This is the year population. In 1941, 320 million people. 1951, 360 million people. 1961, 440 million people. 1971, 550. 1981, 680. 1991, 850. 2001, 1000. So you take graph paper. This is the x-axis, sorry, y-axis. This is the x-axis, y and x. Here 0. So on x-axis, you have to take year. On y-axis, on x-axis, you take years. On y-axis, you take population. Take population. 1941, 1951, 1961, 1971, 1981, 1991, extend this 2001. 2001. So on x-axis you take years, on y-axis you take population in millions. On the y-axis 320, 360, 440, 550, 680, 850 and 1000. So 1 centimeter equal to 1000 million people. 1 centimeter equal to how much? 100 million people. Sorry, 1 centimeter equal to 100 million people. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. In 1941, how many? 320. 320 here. 320. In 1951, 360. Like this, 360. 1961, 440 from here. This is approximately, children, on this board. In graph paper, it would be get the correct answer. In 1961, how much? 440. 1971, 550 here. 550. 1981, 680. 1991, 680. Sorry, 1991, 850. 2001, 1000. After that, you take another color, shade like this. Shade it like this. Clear? This is the bar graph. Okay, now double bar graph and pie chart I will explain to you in online class. Clear, children? So today class is done. Thank you very much.